Okay, I'll just show you. You can see it just springs open like that and snaps shut. And this is how I clean them. As you can see, it slips over, go backwards and forwards. It's holding on. It's wet, by the way. And I get a microfiber, wipe the water off, the excess water. After it's been scrubbed, it picks up all the dirt and that off the louvers. And now I get a clean scrim, nice dry one, and that finishes them off. And as you can see, that it cleans all the edges and everything also. As you can see, along the edges, it's cleaned there. All the louvers have been cleaned. I just shut it, and as you can see, beautiful. And I suppose that's about it.